Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a very quick, less than 10 minutes date night hairstyle that you can do on any hair length, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve it for any hair length. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this really nice date night look. I'm using my favorite Uncle Funky's Daughter products. I'm going to be doing a lot of Uncle Funky's Daughter posts this month, so stay tuned for all the hairstyles I'm going to be bringing you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this hairstyle from start to finish, and it's actually pretty easy, and you can do this on any hair length. And I wanted to do this video in a way that most people, regardless of hair length, will be able to achieve the hairstyle. So just keep watching and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn your notification bell so you can notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I usually keep my hair twisted like this. I've been keeping it in twist for this whole week and it's kind of dry now, so I want to re-moisturize before I actually start styling. So I'm going to put my hair in sections. I'm going to start moisturizing section by section. So I have some warm water in my spray bottle and I'm going to start by spraying that on my hair first. Since my hair is low porosity, I like to spray warm water in my hair to help open up my cuticles so that I can absorb more of the water and the products more. So I'm going to let that soak in a bit before I actually start to apply my products. Next, I'm going to be taking Thirsty Curls, which is a leave-in curl revitalizer. It contains a lot of humectants that draw moisture to your hair, like glycerin and sodium hyaluronate. It also contains comfrey, marigold, sage, chamomile, rosemary, horsetail leaf extract. So as you can see, it contains ingredients that help to really condition your hair. There's also coconut milk as well. So it's just going to really help to moisturize, really hydrate, deeply hydrate your hair before you start to apply other products on it. Next, I'm going to be taking extra butter. This is my main moisturizer. I love using extra butter because my hair is very thick and it likes buttery products. So I just apply a generous amount to my hair, really massage it in. It also contains amazing ingredients as well, like coconut oil, palm kernel oil, shea butter, cereal alcohol, aloe vera leaf juice, macadamia, sweet almond oil. So as you can see, it contains fatty alcohols that help to really moisturize and soften hair. It contains butters as well, emollients that also help to soften your hair. So if you have very coarse, thick stranded hair like this, extra butter will be really good for softening your hair and making it easier for you to work with before you style your hair. So now I'm just going to twist that section and do the same thing all over my head. Moisturize all the sections, twist them just to stretch my hair a little bit before we actually start styling. So this is the last section in front. After I'm done, I'm just going to twist it and leave it to soak in. Just give it a few minutes for the products to really soak in and for my hair to stretch. Then I'm going to start doing the styling. So this is my hair up close. As you can see, the product is really soaking in. My hair looks very moisturized. So now I'm going to start doing my flat twist. As you can see, my hair has shrunken a lot because it absorbed a lot of the product. So my hair is really shrunken now. But I'm going to be doing a flat twist on each side. So this is the first flat twist that I'm doing now on the left side. Well, technically it's my right, but if you're watching it's left or whatever. Anyways, I wanted to do a braid before, but it was so difficult for me to braid my hair. My hair is very thick. It was getting tangled, so I just did a flat twist because the flat twist was much easier. So I'm done doing my two flat twists, one on each side. Now we're gonna start doing the fun parts. So I'm gonna be using clip-ins. The clip-ins I'm using are from Curls. I wanted to do this style in a way that most people will be able to do the hairstyle, so I decided to use clip-ins. Now the clip-ins I'm using from Curls are the mixed texture clip-ins. That means they actually designed the clip-ins so that it will have two different textures for people that have multiple textures in their hair. I really like that they did that. I thought that was very innovative of them. So you know how most people have different hair textures in their hair. So like for instance, people that have 4B, 4C, this will really match their hair perfectly because some parts are looser than others. As you can see, I'm holding a loose part and then I'm holding a tighter part. If you look well, you can see there's a difference between the tighter sections of the clip-ins and the looser section. So I like that they did clip-ins that can work for people that have mixed textured hair. They also have clip-ins that work for people that have majority one texture. I've reviewed some of their clip-ins before, so they have a variety of clip-ins on their website. But for the style I'm going for, I didn't really need the different textures since I was still gonna fluff it out like this. So what I did was I basically sprayed the clip-in with water and a leave-in conditioner and brushed it out to give it this really fluffy texture so that it will match my 4C hair properly. So as you can see, I've attached the clip-ins to one end of the flat twist. I'm going to do the same thing to the other end for my second puff. The clip-ins I have are they're kinky mixed textured clip-ins. They also have a curly mixed textured one. So this kinky one is perfect for people with like 4B, 4C hair. So as you can see, I've knotted the end of my other flat twist and I'm just going to start attaching the clip-ins. And I kid you not, I'm only going to use 2 clip-ins. One of them has 3 clips. One of them is 3 clips wide. That's the one I'm attaching right now, is 3 clips wide. And the next clip-in I'm going to be using is 2 clips wide. I only use 2. That is how thick their clip-ins are. You only need 2 on each side to get a really natural look for this hairstyle. But if you're doing your entire head of hair, just one pack is enough. So when I attach it, I just fluff it out. And I'm also spraying some Thirsty Curl on the clip-in to really fluff it out some more and shape it so that it looks really, really nice. So yes, you can use this on Uncle Funky's Daughter products on natural hair extensions as well. They work really, really well too. So that is with just one clip-in. Now I'm going to attach my second clip-in. And that is it. Just attaching it around the end of the flat twist that I knotted. And that is it. This style takes less than 10 minutes to do. And because it's really, really kinky, you can't really see the seams of the clip-ins. But if you just want to make sure that it's extra secure, you can take a little piece of the clip-ins like I'm doing and wrap it around to cover the seams so that the seams don't show. And this is the final result. This style is so easy to do, takes less than 10 minutes to do, and it's a very, very nice style that can work on a lot of people with different hair lengths. So now I'm just going to quickly do my makeup to finish up the look, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the entire look put together. But yeah, and I forgot to mention, with the clip-ins that I used their kinky thick mixed textured clip-ins. So it contains 10 pieces, and the 10 pieces are enough to fit an entire head of hair. So if you want to do a full complete head of hair look, you can use one pack of the thick kinky texture clip-ins and it will be enough. You guys saw how thick just 2 clip-ins were. Also in the pack, there are different clip-in lengths. Some are 5 clips wide, some are 4 clips wide, some are 3 clips wide, so that they fit at different parts of your head. Now I'm about to put my mascara. This mascara is like one of the worst mascaras I've ever bought. I was trying to be cheap, that's why I bought it, and it is complete trash, my god. But I can't waste it, so I have to wait for it to finish before I throw it away. So I'm just finishing up my makeup, and yeah. I tied my hair with a scarf to help press everything down, and I'm just going to take out that scarf now and fluff out the hair. So the clip-ins that I used in the pack of 10, there were 5 pieces that were 16-inch kinky, and the other 5 pieces were 18-inch curly. I just fluffed all of them out to give me a very full Afro puff look. But yeah, that was what I was going for. That's why I decided to fluff it out. But you don't need to fluff it out to use the clip-ins. You can use it directly like that, and it's going to match your hair texture perfectly, especially if you have 2 different textures in your head. So this is the final look. Very quick, very easy. A nice date night look that you can do under 10 minutes. All the information for all the stuff I use, the products, the clip-ins, are all going to be down below in the description box. So please make sure that you check there. And let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys saw how easy this style was to do. All you need to do is just use really good quality clip-ins and you'll be fine. The clip-ins I have are from Curls, and as you can see, I only used 2, literally only 2. All I did was fluff out the clip-in so that I will match my 4C hair perfectly, and then I used 2 to do my puffs, and that was it. You can use more if you want to make it bigger, but that's just up to you. All the information for where I got the clip-ins is going to be down below in the description description box, so please make sure you check that out. Also, all the products I use are from Uncle Funky's daughter. If you've been following me, you know what my top 5 brands are already, and you know Uncle Funky's daughter is one of them. So I always really love when I get the chance to work with them. All the products I use are going to be listed down below. You can get your Uncle Funky's daughter products at Target or online at unclefunkysdaughter.com. If you shop online, you can use my code WestAfricanBaby for 15% off all your purchases. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.